Do you feel like you're hustling and you're grinding and you feel like there's no grace with what you're doing? Well, Devin felt that way. He wore exhaustion like a badge of honor. And I'm going to be honest with you, I have done the same. I thought that was what I needed to do to be successful. And then one day, I can remember when I was asked by my daughter about me always working, always being in the office, always not being really present. And that's what Devin was looking at. That's what his child, his daughter asked, Daddy, you're always working. That night he realized, now it took me longer, but that night he realized hustle was noise and harmony was music. And so when you have the grace to do something and you're not looking at it as if you're grinding yourself into, I'm going to call it an early grave, or grinding yourself away from your family, or grinding yourself out where your candle is lit at both ends. At that point, consider restructuring not just your calendar, but your life in such a way that it aligns to what you hold dear. In my case, it was family. In my case, it was making sure that things had a greater value and we did special things together. And even in this moment, at this time of my life, I'm looking at opportunities as moments, creating moments instead of just memories or just purchasing things, but creating moments because I believe we'll remember the moments when everything else goes away. So look at your family, your faith, and your focus. And you know what? Watch your income shift when you're in a healthier spot, when you're having grace and harmony versus being in a place of hustle and grind. See, your brain actually synchronizes with harmony. Your brain hemispheres actually go to and enhance the creativity and the calm of it. And it says, talks about heal, peace of mind is priceless asset. And I know that this is true. So harmony with your finances means your spending reflects your values and your saving supports your calling and your giving flows from abundance rather than obligation. So envision this. What would harmony with your finances and your life and your job and what's forward look like today for you? How do you shift and get into a place of grace and harmony instead of hustle and grind? What would change about how you earn, spend, and save, and even give when you re envision what harmony and grace looks like in this moment? Write that out and align it. I am Johnny, the Mindset Maven, helping you bridge the gap between what you know and what you do. That gap is action. So make the action this week, even today, to shift toward the things that honestly that matter and build moments